Big Blue Button, Users Panel. The Users panel is located on the left side of the screen. This displays participants' names during the session. Each participant's initials icon can contain up to 2 smaller status icons. In this example, the icons represent the following. Beverly Davis is the moderator, or facilitator. Beverly Davis has an active microphone. Ahmed Ali has selected the listen-only mode. Maria Gupta's has a muted microphone. Please note, these icons may change over time because BigBlueButton is under continuous development. Looking now at a student's view, if users want to raise their hand or react with an emoji, they can click on the Reactions bar, the emojis or the hand icon at the bottom of their screen. Users can select any available emoji. When a reaction is selected, the user's icon changes to display the chosen emoji instead of their initials. If a user clicks on the Raise Hand icon, the user's icon changes to the raised hand. Users can also click here to lower their hand. If a user clicks on their own name, a menu appears. Returning now to the teacher view, if the moderator clicks on a user's name, a more comprehensive menu appears. The moderator can start a private chat with any participant. This allows participants to choose specific users to chat with in a back-channel mode. These private conversations occur without disturbing the class. Good uses include troubleshooting individual technical problems and privately clarifying topics or terminology. If the user's microphone is active, the moderator can click on the user's name and select the Mute User option to silence their audio. The moderator can also grant a user access to the whiteboard. The moderator can assign the presenter's role to another participant or change the participant's role from presenter to viewer. The moderator can promote a participant to moderator. Moderators can also remove participants from a session when necessary.